A walk in the zoo. It was a bright and sunny morning. Charlie and Morgan woke up early. They were very excited. Today they were going to the zoo. Charlie carried his notebook. Morgan carried a map. "Let's learn new words at the zoo," said Charlie.
Yes.
"We will see so many animals," said Morgan. They walked to the zoo. It was only a few minutes away. The zoo was very big. Charlie and Morgan were happy to be there. They reached the zoo gate. The gate was large and colorful. It had pictures of many animals. There were lions, monkeys, and elephants. "Zoo means a place for animals," said Charlie. "It is a fun place to visit," said Morgan. They walked through the gate. The zoo was full of people. Everyone was excited to see the animals. The first animals they saw were monkeys. The monkeys were jumping in the trees. One monkey was eating a banana. Another was swinging from branch to branch. "Monkeys are funny animals," said Morgan. "They can do so many tricks," said Charlie. A zookeeper was nearby. "Monkeys are very smart," said the zookeeper. "They can solve puzzles and use tools." Charlie wrote in his notebook, "Monkey, an animal that climbs trees and swings." Next, they went to see the lion. The lion was lying under a big tree. It had golden fur and a thick mane. It looked very strong. "Lion is the king of the jungle," said Charlie. "It roars loudly to warn others." Just then, the lion stood up. It stretched its big legs. The lion roared loudly, roar. The sound echoed around the zoo. "It is so loud," said Morgan. Charlie wrote, "Roar, a loud sound that a lion makes." Then they walked to the elephant area. There were 2 elephants. One was very big. The other was small and cute. The big elephant had a long trunk. It used its trunk to drink water. The baby elephant was playing in the mud. "Elephant is very big and strong," said Morgan. "The baby elephant is so cute." Charlie wrote, "Elephant, a big animal with a long trunk." They watched the elephants for a long time. They even saw the baby elephant splash water with its trunk. Next, they visited the bird section. There were many birds: parrots, flamingos, and peacocks. A bright green parrot was sitting on a branch. It said, "Hello."
Wow.
"The parrot can talk," said Morgan. Charlie wrote in his notebook, "Parrot, a bird that can talk." The flamingos were tall and pink. They stood on one leg. "They look so funny," said Morgan. Charlie wrote, "Flamingo, a tall bird with pink feathers." Then they saw a peacock. The peacock had beautiful, colorful feathers. The peacock opened its feathers and showed them off. "Look how colorful it is," said Charlie. Charlie wrote, "Peacock, a bird with colorful feathers." After the birds, they went to the reptile house. It was cool and dark inside. They saw a big snake. The snake was slithering on the ground. It had smooth, shiny skin. "Snake has no legs," said Charlie. Charlie wrote, snake, an animal with no legs. Next, they saw a turtle. The turtle was moving very slowly. It had a hard shell on its back. It is very slow, said Morgan. Charlie wrote, turtle, a slow animal with a hard shell. Then they walked to see the giraffes. The giraffes were very tall. They had long necks. They were eating leaves from the top of the trees. Look at how tall the giraffes are, said Morgan. They have the longest necks of all animals. Charlie wrote, giraffe, the tallest animal with a long neck. Charlie and Morgan were feeling hungry. They decided to take a break. They went to a food stall. Charlie bought ice cream. Morgan bought juice. They sat on a bench to eat. This has been a fun day, said Morgan. Yes. We are learning so many new words, said Charlie. They rested for a while. Then they continued their adventure. After the break, they went to see the zebras. The zebras had black and white stripes. They looked like horses, but with stripes. Zebra looks like a horse with stripes, said Morgan. They are so beautiful. Charlie wrote in his notebook, zebra, an animal with black and white stripes. Charlie and Morgan had a wonderful day. They saw many animals and learned new words. They learned about lions, elephants, monkeys, and more. Today was great, said Morgan. Yes, we learned a lot of new words, said Charlie. They walked home happily. They felt proud of what they had learned. They knew more English now. Practice every day. Read, speak, and listen to English. Don't worry about mistakes. Keep going and you will improve. Thank you for watching today's story. If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe to help us grow. We really appreciate your support. See you in the next video.